In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort items on a Monday.com board. If you're looking to organize your projects and improve workflow on Monday.com, sorting items efficiently is a vital skill. Whether it's due dates, priorities, or team members, sorting the data on your board allows you to focus on what's most important and streamline processes rapidly. Let's dive in and meticulously walk through this process. First, you'll want to ensure you're at the right place by accessing your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, locate the specific board you want to work on. You can either type the board's name in the search bar or scroll through your list to find it. Let's say we are working with a sample board. Just click on the board name to open it up. Now that you've accessed the board, your next focus is the sorting feature. Take a look at the toolbar at the top of your board. Here, you'll find various options to customize your view. Look for the Sort button, which is usually symbolized by an icon with 3 parallel lines or ascending and descending arrows. Go ahead and click on Sort. Once you click on the Sort button, a new menu will pop up, giving you the option to choose which column you want to use as the basis for sorting. This is where you'll make the decision based on what data aspect you need organized. It could be the due dates of tasks if you need chronological order or priority levels to know what items require immediate attention. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select the column you want to sort. After you've chosen the column, you'll need to decide the order in which you want to sort the items, either ascending or descending. If you choose ascending, your items will be arranged from the smallest to largest value, or earliest to latest in time. On the other hand, selecting descending will arrange items from largest to smallest or latest to earliest. An easy way to remember this is by thinking of ascending as going up and descending as going down. Once you've made your selection on order, there's a final yet crucial step, saving your sorted board view. This ensures that every time you or your team members access the board, the information is displayed precisely as you need it. To do this, simply click on Save as New View if you want to maintain the original format while keeping this new arrangement for specific use cases. You can name this new view something descriptive, like Task Deadline Order or Priority Overview, to easily distinguish it from other views. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently sort items on your Monday.com board tailored specifically to your needs. It's all about making the platform work best for you, optimizing how you handle tasks, and ensuring your workflow is smoother than before. I hope this guide helps you enhance your productivity on Monday.com, making project management less of a hassle and more of a simplified, enjoyable task.